this is Andy, the Bearded Practitioner. Thank you for joining my channel. I totally appreciate it. I am here to help give a little bit of introduction about what I am doing on this channel. I am going to be doing some beard reviews, interviews, a little bit of ingredient analysis, company analysis. I'm going to have lots and lots of fun. Little things about me. I am a father of 6 children. I have 2 grandkids that are totally awesome. I have a full-time job as an IT engineer for a hospitality company. I've been there 22 years. I educationally have a bachelor's from Northern Arizona University, and I have a master's degree as well in information systems management. I am very excited to be able to do this because this is a way of me giving back to the bearded community, which I love. I have found so much positivity and great owners and great reviewers and just a great amount of individuals that are in this community. I am on Instagram as the Bearded Practitioner. I post daily, if not more often. I usually post something about what's in my beard, and then I look for comments and information coming back from the community to see what's going on with them. I enjoy talking to reviewers, I enjoy talking to company owners, and I really have been very excited to be able to call all these guys my brothers.
Hi, I'm Nichole Peters with the Octopus Parlor. I'm here to tell you a little bit about myself. I started this company back in 2012. My mission was to just make clean products, clean organic products. It seemed like everything at the time, I had a lot of friends coming down with sicknesses or cancers, and I was kind of wondering why this was happening to us. And I discovered that really it comes down to everything we're eating, putting on our body, ingesting could be the culprit. So I decided to take matters into my own hands, and I did a lot of research and discovering what was actually considered organic and clean. And it turned out that most of the products that I thought were clean were actually not clean, because there are hidden ingredients in products to get people to still buy them and put organic. Anyways, during this process of marketing my company, I also realized that the bigger issue was trying to change one's mindset. So it has been a goal of mine through my company to explain these issues that are happening with bigger corporations. Therefore, convincing others to change their product to cleaner ones has been its own challenge. I have been able to close some of the gaps myself through making myself available for a discussion. I sell to all sorts of individuals, including men, which they are kind of one of my biggest sellers. And a lot of people don't consider beauty products for men, but there is an important market for them, to which is how I got involved with helping my brother with his beard balms. Therefore, I'm glad to be a part of this movement that hopefully is changing the world, including being a part of my brother's newfound love for men's products. So here I am, and I am very excited to be a part of this.
I have decided to bring my little boy Caden into our introduction because he is always a big part of my life, and he's a ham. What do you have to say, Caden? I think you get more excited about these beard products than I do most of the time, especially unboxing. Why do you get so excited about it?
Like, it's exciting when like the smells you get from them, like you kind of get all like these amazing smells that.
And what do they smell like? Do they smell legendary?
They smell very good. So I kind of like how they smell, and I like hanging out with you. Like the body wash in there, I feel like you can make so much more out of it. Instead of like beard wash, you can make like hand soap with them. You can make like a bunch of other stuff that people will love with them.
That's a good thought. That's a good thought. So we'll have to talk more about that.
Yeah.
And that's what this channel is going to be all about. So in conclusion, I wanted to express my deep gratitude for everyone in this community, everyone watching this video. I have been very blessed to be able to know some extremely nice and genuine people in this community that are helpful, and I hope to bring you a whole lot of positive and amazing reviews on different products and different things that are going on in the community. Thank you very much.